In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a single response in Google Forms. This is a handy skill, especially if you've ever needed to tidy up your form responses and remove one that might have been submitted mistakenly. Now let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google Drive homepage. Once there, make sure you're logged into the appropriate Google account that has access to the form you want to edit. Next, on the main Google Drive page, look towards the top left where you'll see the option labeled Apps. Click on it. This is where you'll find all your Google services, and it's a handy tool for accessing a variety of applications, including Google Forms. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Forms. Doing this will take you to a page displaying all the forms that you've created, as well as any forms that have been shared with you. Once you are on the Google Forms page, identify and select the specific form whose responses you want to edit. This will open the form and you'll be able to view its settings and responses. After opening your selected form, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Responses tab. This tab displays all the submitted responses for your form. Here is where you can view and manage all the data you've collected. Within the Responses tab, you will see an option labeled Individual. Click this to switch your view, allowing you to go through the responses one by one, rather than viewing them in a summary form. Now, as you sift through the individual responses, locate the specific response you wish to delete. Carefully ensure that this is the correct entry you want to remove, as deleting it is a permanent action. Once you've selected the response, look for the trash bin icon, usually situated somewhere on the toolbar or near the response data itself. Click on this trash bin icon, which serves as a delete button. Finally, a confirmation prompt will pop up on your screen to verify that you intend to delete the response. Click Yes to confirm your decision. This step is your last chance to reconsider, as confirming here will permanently remove that response from your forms database. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a single response from a Google form. By following these steps, you can maintain a clean set of data and ensure the accuracy of your collected information. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks with Google applications.